A good cam.
What the fuck are we planning here for?
I let him cook, brother.
Run downstairs, put a default C4 down, like the prepped C4 default plant, and play the long game. And when you hear the plant go down, late round, boom, 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 boom. Boom. So chat, I do want to officially announce we are on a race with Vasco 100. We need to end September with more subs than Vasco. So if anyone wants to contribute to the contribute, start now! Remember, we have the prepped C4 below.
Planting, by the way. Nice.
Oh, that was... Don't say a word. You fucking killed me, you fucking slag! Nice.